This spreadsheet will help us calculate bond values. Here we have the par value, coupon rate, years to maturity, and the current rate, the discount rate. It's a nice spreadsheet. For one thing, it does a lot of adjustments for you. We really took a lot of time to put this one together. So if we put in 10 years, you see it automatically adjusts and will make all the calculations for you. So let's work with the 10 years. So $1,000 par value bond, which means it'll be worth $1,000 in 10 years at a rate of 10%. So what is the bond's value? When the bond changes, when interest rates change at the current rate, so does the value of a bond. At 10, 10, 10, and 10, the bond will be worth exactly the same. If an interest rate goes above the, if the current interest rate is above the 10%, the value of your bond will go down. That makes sense, because if you could get 7% in the bank, why would you buy something for 6%, as an example? So it does make sense. And this is an IRR, internal rate of return. This is the interest flows. Since we have $1,000, it's basically divided by 10. So our interest flows are going to be automatically calculated. The $1,000 is the coupon rate. So that will be our interest. $1,000 times 10% is $100 per year. That is our coupon. We discount that because money is worth less in the future. We discount that by the as you can see in our formula over here, by the current rate, B10. So we discount this by what money is worth today, and we come up with a figure. We don't discount the par value because it's not worth anything until later on when we cash in. Then we will have our $1,000, and that will be brought in then. Okay, this is what it will be discounted. This is what the $1,000 will be worth in 10 years at 11% discount rate. It's the sum of the cash flows. Cash flows from IRR are not really important for bond valuation. And here are our summaries. So the most important thing that we could see when we do this is what a bond is worth, is we need to find really the net present value of these figures. So that's going to come down here. 588, that's the net present value. $352, and that will summarize everything up. So it's the sum of the discounted cash flows here, all these cash flows, plus our discounted the last year of a bond, we discount the $100, which is $35.22, and we discount the $1,000. So the sum of these are here. So this is where we get this last figure from. We add up all those cash flows, and that's what the bond is worth.